The first thing we're gonna do here is start. So, na-start ko na siya, then ready na din. Then, tapos aus. Then, pagka-click ko sa aus, ito, click users. Then, we're gonna see here the 3 users. Users 1, the user 2, the user 3, and then user groups. Permission. Click natin to. Then, makikita natin yung codes. These 3 groups. Ayan. Permission. Wait natin. Yun. And then, add users. Click natin yung add users. Tama. Okay. Ayan. The S3. Ay, tama. S3. Let's add, click add users. Users 1. Add users. Ayan. Then sa kabila naman. User 2. User 2. Ayan. So, lahat may users na. All groups have users na. Then, next. Ito. Go to the dashboard. Then, click this one. Open natin. So then, choose S3. Okay. As we can see here, wala pang bucket. Wala ding object to. No objects. Objects and objects. This is it. So as we can see here, wala pa siyang laman, wala pang instances. You cannot see any instances here. And then, lagyan natin mo sa sign out tayo. Then, we're going to copy mo na yung account ID and then sign out. We're going to sign in the user too. And doon may kita na natin yung mga instances. So next, we're going to choose EC2. Then click instances. Ay, dami. Paano ba ito i-delete? How should I delete this? Pwede pa siya i-delete. Wala, hindi siya ma-delete. Ito pwede. Cannot. So, let's click the lab host na lang. Okay. Then click stop instances. Then may kita natin dito yung field to stop instances. So, ngayon naman i-open natin yung user 3. Okay. You receive an error stating you are not authorized to perform this operation. Then click X, yung ginawa natin kanina. Then i-open naman natin yung user 3. Okay. So as we can see here, nandito pa din yung the lab host, the version host. So we're going to click the lab host and then instance state, stop instance, stop. And dito magkakaroon na tayo ng permission to stop. Here we will see here the successfully stop. Kanina naman failed, so dito stop. And ayan. As an EC2 administration, you should now have permissions to stop the Amazon EC2 instance. Have no permission. So, in the instance capsule, stop na siya eh. Okay, stop. Ayan, that's all. Ayun, that's all. So let's X and then congratulations, you have now completed the lab. Then choose end lab. After that, we're going to click the end lab and yes. That's all. Thank you.